Today, we share this video is to guide how to merge videos on Windows 10. The first method is using Windows 10 Photos app. Please open the Photos app first, and then create a new project and add all the required videos. Once uploaded, put them into the storyboard window for merging. Preview and rearrange these videos as you need. If necessary, do your desired editing operations. Lastly, click the Finish Video button to set output quality. Whereafter, touch Export to output the merged video. One more way shared is using Joyoshare Video Joiner. Open the program and import videos in bulk. The next thing is to choose merging mode and output format. Under encoding mode, you can select any output format. Furthermore, you are allowed to customize the output parameters. The encoding mode supports editing files. If any need, do the editing you want. If you want the final merged video to keep the original quality, please work with the high-speed mode. Once done, click OK to return to the first window. Reorder your video files as you like. And finally, press the convert icon to start merging. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.